What's going on, everybody? Here, welcome back to some more Foundry. Today, we got more things to do, more things to continue, more research to do, and hopefully a whole new tier of things to unlock. We already started. That's right, you can see it up in the corner. High voltage energy grid is being researched as we speak, and that's gonna unlock some new fun things for us. We got some pipes, we've got some steam, we got a whole bunch of things. We're gonna start using water for stuff. It's gonna be a good time. But until we get that unlocked, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do one little thing real fast, and that is supplement our xenoferrite plates here. They're just not supplemented enough. You know, we just gotta supplement them. It's all about the supplementations. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some of these foundations. I don't have enough of those. Let's grab some of these. And we're about to kill it even more, but that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and get some more smelters in here and basically do this. And that guy needs to go. Okay, perfect. So we've got that. Let me go ahead and just fill this in. Perfect, right there. All right. And let's just go ahead and fill the, you know what? Let's just fill that part in, fill this part in here. Okay. So what we got going on, what we need to do, what we gonna do here is I need more smelters. So I think we can run we'll run another 8 smelters and we'll see how that goes. We need to, you know, do any more than we can. I need to grab a bunch of these though. I need to grab a bunch of plates. Okay, so we got a bunch of plates here. There's 5 smelters, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Oh, there's our crusher. Oh, what does that do? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out later. Right now we got to get this first part done. We got to prioritize. We got to do things as they come up. So there is those. Now what's gonna happen here is how do I want to do this? Because I don't want to take away, I want to have an overflow from this, you know what I mean? But so like I want this to go this way, but when it's backed up like that, how do I want to do this? Let me sit here and think about this for a second. How do I want to do this? Actually, you know what? The easiest way to do this is going to be just to set this up. So this right here is the only miner that is not able to output what it needs to output. So instead of trying to mess with the belts, you know what we'll do? We'll just go ahead and output it to its own belt and let it do its own thing. So we'll just run this belt this way. And then we're going to run it down this way. Actually, having it run like this wouldn't be terrible, because if this ever backs up for any reason, it could go ahead and start feeding these. Okay, cool. So we got that. Let's go ahead and get our let's get our smelters down. We're just gonna place them right here. All right, there's 8 of the. Oh wow, I had more smelters in my inventory than I thought I did. Oops. Okay, so there's that, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this belt from here to right here. Like that, and then this belt is gonna run from here. It's gonna go up and over actually, and it's gonna go into this belt right here, and it's gonna interject just right there, and that is gonna hopefully help with keeping this belt nice and full. Now if I need to, we could always split this. Actually, what I might do is I might put a splitter right here, interject here, and then bring another belt down, and then put another one right here to kind of help balance that a little bit more. But we'll just see how this goes for now. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's grab, basically, like we're ready to go. We just got to get these things all plumbed up here. There's that. There's that. Let's go ahead and grab this, make these the outputs. Shoot. Oh no, that's right. Okay. I was like, wait a second, I messed up. For some reason I was thinking they were going like ingots first, and then the ingots were going to have to move into plates, but nope, there's that. Okay, see, that looks good. Yeah, we're gonna throw a splitter on here. The reason, just because it's already kind of backing up a little bit. And then actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go into here. And actually, we're gonna go into here. We're gonna grab one of these, so that way, if it is backing up, it will at least get into a storage. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do that there, that there. Grab this, run this down here, and then I want to run it into that. Okay. I think that'll work. So it's going to try to primarily put them, well, it's going to try to put them here, but it's also going to send some that way. See how this goes. I might not need to do that. That might have actually not been a good idea. Yeah, see, I feel like that's redistributing the load a little bit, though. I feel like that's helping. So what are we making here? Oh, this is the one where we're making the parts. Okay. That's fine. That all looks good. This is actually not too bad. Because, I mean, in worst case scenario, these start backing up, right? These start backing up, these start backing up, they start getting stored. You know, actually, I don't know if I want the storage on this side or not, though. Maybe I want the storage on this main build. I don't know. We'll leave it. We're just leave it and see how that goes. Okay. So that's what I wanted to do there. Uh-oh. Are we... Uh-oh. Hold on a second. How come it looks like we were having an issue with the output right there? Did you see that? There was like a break in... Why? Research complete. High voltage grid unlocked. Oh my gosh. How are we having that break in the belts over there? I don't understand. Oh, right there was one. Okay. New crafting recipe. Transformer small. Unlocked boiler. Unlocked steam turbine. Oh my gosh, all the fun things. So many exciting things. Okay, let's get some more research here going. Assembler, mining drill speed, character craft speed, pumps. Let's get some pumps, I guess. I feel like that's probably gonna be like an important thing. Okay. So we got that. We got these. Everything over here is being crafted. I don't feel like we're not making enough of these parts. And I mean, you know what? If this belt gets backed up right here, they're all gonna start diverting to this. Actually, that's looking pretty good. So we've got, oh, we're actually maxed out. We already got our 100 belts there. We got our 50 there. We've got 300 or 400 there. Yeah, we're actually maxed out on all of these. So, you know what? I bet we're good now on these, huh? Yep. We're good on those. Okay, cool. It's the thing is, the interesting part about these factories is there's like two phases of the factory. There's the phase one where the initial build and the initial draw on everything. And then there's phase two where once everything's caught up, then you are, you know what I mean? Like production wise, it's much faster. So right now we are getting into the phase two of it. So this is looking good. We still have plenty of ore here, so we should be good there. All right, let's look at what we got going on here. We've got a boiler. Input 20 liters of water per second. Output 360 liters of steam per second. So we're gonna need that, but then we need a steam turbine. Max steam intake is 360 liters per second. Maximum power generation is 3.6 megawatts. Efficiency is 100%. Requires fuel, but it's a steam turbine. So in theory, it's only using steam to make power. So that's making steam. So it's basically using the boiler. It's using the boiler to make steam. Wait, are these 1-for-1? Maximum steam intake is 360 liters per second. Maximum steam output is 360 liters per second. Maximum power consumption is 3.6 megawatts. Maximum power generation is 3.6 megawatts. How does that work? I must be missing something here. Because to me, what it sounds like this makes enough power to supply a boiler. Exactly. Doesn't it? 3.6 megawatts of power. This turns high voltage into low voltage. So this is going to be set on the ground, I think. Okay. Let's mess with this. Let's figure out what we got going on here. Let's go ahead and set up a foundation. An area of foundations. And let's start playing with the new steam power. Let's figure this out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a bunch of these. We're going to need a big area to mess with this. And of course we want it over here by the water. So let's see what we've got going on in here. All right, so we've got that. Do we have, because we're gonna need ignium, right? Is because does this run off of maximum power consumption 3.6? Oh, you know what? This is gonna use base power, regular base power, until these steam generators get going. Oh shoot, I also need steel beams and pipes. Okay, hold on a second. How do we get steel beams? Oh, is that part of the crusher? Crusher requires a low voltage grid. This is where things are gonna get interesting. Okay, so pipe intake recipe is pipe, and then this is 2 steel. Okay, all right, we gotta start with steel. We gotta start making steel, and you know what? I think steel uses this stuff right here. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna make a guesstimation that that's what's going on. We still need foundations either way. So let's grab these, expand here, and go whoop way out as far as I can. And then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off this way, and we're gonna try to make some steel area here. And then once we make steel and we can make steel beams and pipes, we'll then utilize those to start making the new power stuff. Okay, so let's see here. If I want to go in and make a crusher, I need some plates and all that fun stuff. Let's grab, I should be able to suck up a whole bunch of these things. All right, so I want to make, let's make 3 crushers. I don't know how many we need. I have no idea. I'm gonna guess it's a crusher though. What we're probably gonna do is we're probably gonna end up crushing this, or it's gonna make some other thing. And then we're gonna probably utilize that from something else. So let's see what we got here. Let's see, we're never gonna be using these little burners again. Oh, it's a little guy. Okay, what is your deal? So xenoferrite, oh my God. Huh. Xenoferrite, ignium, or blend. So it needs xenoferrite and ignium. Oh, things just got spicy. Okay, you know what? We can pull from here if we wanted to. This is xenoferrite, right? Yeah, this is the xenoferrite. So interesting. Okay, I'm gonna pull these guys off of here. We're gonna pull those off there for now. Okay, so I need a couple drone miners, if anything. Do I have any drone miners? No. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go down into here, and we're gonna go ahead and make another another mine in here for this. Really should have had the explosives going. Yeah, we're gonna make another mine for this stuff, and then once we have that, we will go ahead and get the xenoferrite going as well. So give me just a minute to mine all of this stuff out. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and start getting things hooked up here. So we'll hook that up there, hook that up there. This needs to go up. Hold on a second. I'm trying to remember. Okay, let's get. We gotta do this as one thing at a time. So we're gonna get that. So now we need to output that. Okay. This is where the fun always is. So I do that, and then I need to go up. But you know what? It's connected here, so I guess we'll do that. That. Yeah, it's actually already connected to this base area, so we don't have to worry about connecting it like we did before. And actually, if anything, we'll just connect it like this, just to make sure. Because these should be powered. Yeah, they're already working. They're already doing their thing. Okay. And then basically I just need to mine this out so we can bring this one up. Awesome. That isn't too bad. That one, that one, that one, and then let's go up another one. And then we're gonna go this way. We're gonna bring it to the back side. Something like this. There we go. It's not the prettiest looking thing right now, but it's functional, and that's what I need. I need function. And then wah-bam. Okay. Perfect. So then we can go ahead and do the same thing over there and grab our technium. And then I was gonna do 2 technium here because I just think it'll be I think it'll probably be better to have 2 of them going. And then we need output. Run that way. Run this one this way, and then this one basically like this. Perfect. Okay. So there's our 2. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Oh, I never put a belt here. I was like, what the heck's going on? There. Perfect. Okay, so now we need those crushers. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Grab these, and then these are gonna have to go 1 there and 1 there. Okay. Perfect. Oh, we have no active research. Oh no. What the heck? Oops. How did I do that? I fell like through a hole that like it just didn't exist. That's so funny. Okay. So easy enough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we're gonna get an ore out. And I'm gonna guess that that ore has to get smelted and it's gonna turn into steel. I could be wrong. All right, so there's those. So now what do we do with that? I feel like we smelt it. I feel like we throw it into a smelter and see what happens. Do we throw it into a smelter and see what happens? Let's do it. Let's just get a smelter right there. I want to just see what happens here. Does it turn into... Hey, look at that. It's turning into steel beams. Okay, cool. All right, so hold on. I don't actually want this right here. that's not explore. We can't expand on that one friendly. So hold on. Let's do this. So we're gonna have these right here, like that, and then what we'll do is we'll run this down like this. Turn. Come back like that, and then run this like this. Okay. That way we can throw more of these down here and more of these down in here as needed. Okay, and then what we'll do here is we'll go this way, and we're gonna throw this into a storage container. Do I have a... I don't have a storage container, darn it. Toggle outputs on these. So these are all gonna be steel beams. Wow. We'll see how this works. Okay, so we have a little storage deal right there. Let's go ahead and grab this, throw this one on here. And then we can start storing the beams. Okay, that's easy enough. Keeps those nice and cleaned up. Things are looking pretty good here. How's this looking? We are not bringing in enough. It doesn't look like we're bringing enough xenoferrite in order to keep this running. Should we go? Let's go see what we got going on back here. I'm a little worried about... I'm a little worried about our xenoferrite situation. There is xenoferrite right here. It's unreachable, but I'm guessing it's underground. It's just weird though, because it doesn't, well, it tells me, what does it say? Increase mining force research level to gain access to unreasonable. Maybe I need the, you know what? Let's go research the explosives. Maybe I need explosives to reach that one. You know what? It's actually kind of a bummer. That would have been a good one to pull. But you know what? Well, though, we could always mine underneath and connect them in there. It'll be fine. Where's the explosives? We're gonna research explosives. We're gonna see what that does. Okay, how are things going here? Oh, not good. These guys are okay. We're not maxing out this belt anymore. It's almost maxed out. It's just not quite. This belt's not even remotely maxed out anymore. You know what? We're gonna end up draining this deposit here like before anybody's business, but that's okay. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get let's get some more miners in here on this thing. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 more miners here. The first one is going to get, it's gonna fill these. It's gonna help out with that one. So let's see, let's grab this. Output. There, okay. So that's just gonna help out with this and getting those plates in. And then we're gonna have another one over here. Like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and hook it into these belts here. Just like that, and voila. Hopefully we get more ore going to the crushers, which I think we're probably good. We probably don't need that many steel beams as it is. Can we already have what, 129? Let me go ahead and limit this a little bit here. We're gonna limit it to 2 stacks. Oh, actually, you know what we need though is we actually need to start making pipes. Pump. Do I need, see, this is the thing, is do I need to like automating pipes makes sense because we're gonna need lots of pipes, but like pipe intake, probably not going to need to automate that because like I'm not going to probably make very many of those. And then pipe pumps, probably not going to need that either. But pipes absolutely make sense to me. So let's do that. Actually, you know what I should do? Let's do this. We're going to switch this up just a hair. We're going to switch this up to go like this. And then I want to go like this. And then I want to run that. Nope, that one needs to go away. That like that. Okay. And then let's see, we need I need a assembler. I probably need more than one, to be honest. And then we're gonna go ahead and go like this. And then we'll run pipes. We'll start making pipes here. And then we'll start outputting those as well. Now, pipes are required for a whole bunch of things. So, but I think we'll probably be fine with. Oh, I need another logistics container. Oh, I have one. Okay. We'll go ahead and get that in here. Put that like that. Grab this. Grab that. And then output, input, and then let's go ahead and limit this to 3 stacks, I guess. Okay. So we have pipes being made. Which is good. Now, I don't know how many pipes we're gonna need. I don't know if we're gonna need like a ton of pipes. I feel like initially we're probably gonna need like a few, but we're gonna be as close to the water as possible. So awesome. There goes those. How's this looking? We're splitting this off, but it's. Are we still like good on the outputs here? 10, 10. Oh, this one has a 0 on the output. Should we get some more smelters in here? Let's get one more smelter going. All right, so there's another thing making some beams. So we got 4 smelters. That'll kick it up a little bit more. Got a total of 28 pipes. We definitely don't need another assembler right now because we don't have enough steel. We don't have enough beams coming in here. Not yet. Okay, so now that we have that, is that everything we needed for boiler and turbine? Input is 20 liters of water and output is 360 liters of steam. Okay, so we need to get a boiler made and then we need to get that made. Let's go ahead and see how this works here. Let me go ahead and grab those. Let me go ahead and grab some other stuff here. And then we need, oh, I need beams. I need steel beams. Ooh, steel beams are a new thing that I have to actually make sure I grab now. All right, so a boiler and a steam turbine. So grab those two and kind of see what we got going on here. And we're gonna go make an area over here by the water. So we're gonna bring this out this way because I want to be fairly close to the water here. Okay, so here's the water. So the area. Oh man, I need to make stairs. Explosives have been unlocked. Oh, how wonderful. Happy days. Happy days indeed. Let me go get another research thing going. We're gonna need more foundations too. I probably need to go ahead and build some stairs. Assembler. Oh, assembler 2? Well, that's gonna be nice. All right, so this is where I think I want everything to be at here. You know what? I hope pipes can go up. Are pipes able to go up? I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea how that's gonna work. We also need pumps. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, I also have stairs. Check this out. We got stairs now. So let's see. Like if I fall down here and I wanted to stair back up. Oh, it's kind of a. Oh, no way. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. That's like legit amazing. That you can just place them at a diagonal like that. I was thinking the stairs were gonna be a super pain in the butt. Okay, cool. That's awesome. That is like actually really, really exciting. So now, let's see. We've got a couple things to place. Let's place them down. Let's look at our. Where do we have? We should have a steam turbine and a boiler. Wait, did the steam turbine take a boiler to make? Oh, right here, boiler. Okay. So the boiler's gonna go first. So it's gonna go water, then boiler, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's the output. So let's do that. Get water in, steam out. So that's water, input, output, water, output, steam. Okay. And then input, output. Oh, so you can connect them. You can connect multiple boilers together. That's neat. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so now if I had, so I have pipes. The problem is I need a pipe intake. Throughput is 30,000 liters. That's insane. And then this does something. I'm not sure what though. It's a pump. Maybe it pumps it up. I have no idea. Okay. Machinery parts and okay, let me go grab some stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and mess with this here and let's see how this works. So if I grab a pipe and I go like this, and then can I hook this on to go rotate Y axis, rotate X axis? Did that connect though? That didn't connect. That makes me think that, how do I connect these? Like that. Okay, let's do this. How about we do this? Let's grab, I did make a, an intake. We have a pump that requires a foundation. Then we have an intake somewhere. So I place this like that, right? And then we put it in the water like that, right? Okay. And then I grab this. We do something like this. What does the pump do? Okay, so the pump obviously is going to pump it, right? That's what I would think. How do we make a curve? Is there a curved pipe? Straight corner T section for. Oh wait, there's different types. Is this a variant? Build mode straight. Build mode snap. Rotate, deselect. How do I select a different type? Okay, I'm gonna run it up to there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and deconstruct. And we're gonna go and grab. We're gonna build out to this. How do I? Because it says modes. Hold right. Oh, right mouse button. Hold right mouse button. Okay. It says hold right mouse button. Oh, I'm an idiot. We figured it out. Okay. So we're gonna bring that in there, and then I'm gonna guess I need a pump probably. Is that right? And then we need a straight here. It looks like there's water in it. Okay. So then from there, so it'd be best to build these and then go back to, okay. All right, cool. We got it figured out. Let me go grab some more pipes. Oh, wow. We got 172 pipes. Very nice. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to grab them all. I don't know how many we're going to need. Okay, so now we basically continue this way. And then I need to do this. We can do a corner like that. A straight pipe here. And then corner right there and right here. Is it
Great
producing?
job on unlocking the blueprints for faster belts and assemblers. Together, we're paving the way for an ultra-efficient operation. Let's keep up the excellent work.
Missing fuel. Okay, so we do have to place something here. Oh, interesting. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, ignium ore is probably the, well, hold on. Do we have anything? Is there anything else nearby? Probably not. What was that? Was that the technium ore? Oh. Okay. So let's leave that alone for a second. Okay, so from there, then we need to place our steam turbine, which is good. God, it's huge. Okay, hold on a second. We need more room for this. All right, so here, this is gonna be our room. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And then we're gonna just place one right here. Now, this is just first look kind of stuff. Okay, so steam is gonna go in right there. Okay. So steam's gonna go in there, and then that's it. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to make a transformer, a power pole, high voltage grid, power connection range 15, max connections 5. So we're probably gonna have to have a transformer in this, and then the steam from here is gonna go into this guy, right? I almost feel like I should flip this around so the steam's on this side so I could run over here. Okay. This is interesting. Oh, we have no active research either. Let me go grab some. I'm gonna go grab some of this ignis ore, and I want to see if we can put it into the into our burner here, if that's at all a thing that we can do. Okay, so I got a couple things going here. Let's see. We have a transformer and then a power pole. So transformer, does that like connect to there, or do we see? I was thinking about putting it like right here and then placing a power pole like right here. Now does that automatically connect stuff or no? No grid connection. How do I make that work? Is there like wiring or something? Power line right there. Power line. I bet you that is exactly what I need. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. There we go. All right. So power line. So now it's connected. Okay. So I'm missing fuel. All right. So if I throw fuel, can I throw ignium ore in here? Oh, I can. Okay. And then we can output steam over here. All right. So we're gonna run this. This is gonna be a straight. We're gonna run this just straight over here like this. Straight in there. Darn it! I can't wait till I get a jetpack. Oh, falling off of these things is so much fun. All right, so I just need to connect up these guys right here. So let's see. Let's go a corner, and then a corner. Like that. And then we're gonna need a corner here. We're gonna need a corner here. Corner here. And then straights the rest of the way. Okay, so straight pipe. Straight pipe, straight pipe. Okay, so that should work. And then... is this generating? Interesting. Interesting. Input, output, energy, fuel requirements, 3.6. Okay, so what is the grid status here then? This is what I'm trying to figure out here. So power sources, steam turbine, high voltage, 3.6 mega. Oh, you know what I didn't even think about? High voltage versus low voltage. Because we're making 3.6 megawatts on high voltage. No batteries connected. We have one small transformer. See, this is what I'm kind of curious about. So burner generators, they're making 1.6 megawatts. They make 3.6. How is the grid strained? Because like it says low voltage grid is needing what, 5.5? Okay, so now is this steam turbine producing enough steam? No, it only has 6 liters constantly. So it's a 1-for-1. So we need another boiler and then another steam turbine in order to get our, so I guess we have a bigger power issue than I thought we did. I thought our power situation was like solid. You know what I mean? I thought we were like way good. See over here, it looks like we're like way good. Look, wait, hold on. Low voltage grid is 5.5 out of 5.5. Okay, so according to this, it is strained, but this is weird because like this, I feel like this is. See, it says max output is 1.8. Machine efficiency, current output. Oh, these are only putting kilowatts. Oh, I see what's going on now. Okay, so essentially, in order to get our power fixed, let's get 2 more boilers and let's get 1 more steam turbine. This is going to be interesting because it looks like the steam turbine is almost. It's almost using a little bit more than the boiler, but it's not. Machine parts and electronic components. Okay. Now this is the other thing. Did we need this pump? I don't even know. Like I don't even know if we needed that pump or not. Okay. Oh, we gotta get fuel going over here too. Oh my gosh, I completely brain dumped that. All right. So what we're gonna do here is, well, actually we can actually do the water. We could do water like this. Right? You moved. And then essentially we could use the same exact thing with steam. So basically running this like this, and darn it. Okay, all right, listen here. And then we swap this for a T. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. All right. And then we'll put the T here. That's incorrect. All right, so 1 T goes there. And then, oh, this one's gonna have to be a fancy one. We'll just do that there. And then this guy's just gonna be a corner. And then a straight pipe. There. And there. Okay, so that should work. Now we need to get fuel on all these. Now, lucky for us, the fuel is actually super efficient here. It actually doesn't burn through fuel super fast. So now we have double of these running double the power, but then we should be able to go ahead and grab another turbine like this. Let's see if we can run both of these. That one, that one, that one, and then we're gonna do an angle like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and break this down and get a T in here like that. Okay, now we need to also go ahead and get this connected to that, and now those are both running perfectly, purring like a couple little kittens. Oh, this one's like way good on steam. That one has 500 liters in it still. What was that one? Okay, so grid status, transformers 4.9. Uh-oh, we need another transformer. I don't think I have enough to make another transformer right now. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize our power situation. See, okay, hold on a second. Let me make this power transformer real quick. I still feel like I'm not understanding the power 100%. Okay, so I have 2 more transformers here. Now, like I said, I'm not exactly sure what the deal is with these things. I need to make some more lines. And then I need another power. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we don't. Now I know. Okay. So hook you to there and then hook you to there. Okay. So what is the deal with the power here? So grid status. Okay, see, I can understand this. I don't understand, and this I don't understand. So this is saying 5, we're using 5.1, about 5 out of our 15 available that the transformers can handle. But the low voltage grid, this is what I don't understand, is it only producing what we need, and that's why this is fluctuating? I would like to know what we are capable up to making. Analyzing power from transformers, small connected to low voltage grid, plus high voltage grid, technical note, rounding precision 2 kilowatts at 0. So high voltage grid. So I'm gonna guess that this right here is our cushion for power that we're utilizing. And then the low voltage grid is always gonna be maxed out. It's just gonna be utilizing what it can or what it has to, I guess. I don't know. I'm not actually sure here because it says the other thing that I'm not 100% sure on is, so it says this is capable of generating 3.6 megawatts. So is that what? I guess 7.2 megawatts for 2 of them. So I guess I could go up to 7.2. And then the other thing I'm not 100% sure on is the steam consumption here. So it says this outputs 360 liters of steam per second, and this consumes 360 liters of steam per second. However, I have 2 of these guys, and these guys are basically, this one's at 0. Okay, that makes sense, right? Oh shoot, that one's out of fuel. That's why. But like, I only have 1 of these running, and both of these guys are running seemingly okay. So I don't know. But you know what? We got power. We have power. We have more power. Apparently, we didn't have enough power to start with. But what we need to do is we actually need to divert that igneous rock. That needs to go over there, and so we can power that stuff. So yeah, that's what we need to do. That's like the next thing. You know what? It'd probably be best to run this underneath. Yeah, it'd probably be best to run the igneous rock underneath instead of running it above. Of course, if we ran it above, we could always tap into it anytime we needed it for anything else. And we don't, I mean, we have a straight shot like all the way down there. Ugh. You know what? I think running it underneath would be better. I think running it this way, just like shooting it underneath here, and running it that would be better. That's probably what we'll do. But that is gonna end this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, all the fun things. We're getting things done here, which is really nice. I have no research going, which is not really nice. But we got some new belts. We got some new materials. We got pipes. We've got we're gonna do drill speed. Why not? We got new pipes. We got new steel. We got new materials. We've got new power, and I think this is like one of the final tiers of power for now. because this is like the essentially the coal burners of Satisfactory, right? So like the next thing that we're gonna have is probably, I don't know if we're gonna do, I don't know if they have oil and stuff like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, we need to get the igneous rock over here so we can get these burners going, and then I need to get. I think our steam turbines are probably fine. I think they're probably fine. We need to go ahead and get rid of these burners though. Don't need them anymore. So, but yeah, thanks again for coming out. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.